listening to NOAA weather radio station KIH31, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. The station is operated by the National Weather Service in Oxnard, California, and transmits from a tower on Cuesta Peak near San Luis Obispo. Here is the latest weather synopsis. Anyone near vulnerable areas are urged to start taking precautions now. Severe weather, including small tornadoes, 60 miles an hour winds, and 1 inch per hour rain rates possible, 3 feet of snow possible in the mountains above 6,000 feet. Snow over the Grapevine on Interstate 5 expected Tuesday night into Wednesday. A large upper-level trough sits over the eastern Pacific Ocean adjacent to California. The trough actually has 2 distinct low-pressure systems currently, but those will combine into one powerful storm later tonight into Monday as it moves onshore over Southern California. The system has also tapped into a healthy source of moisture from the southwest, so it has the relatively rare combination of high precipitable waters, cold air aloft, and a strong board lobe coming through the area. There have been some light showers already along the central coast to Santa Barbara today, well ahead of the main front with amounts under a quarter inch. But the main push will be Monday morning through Monday evening, starting along the central coast and Santa Barbara, then moving through Ventura and La from late morning through early evening. The cold front is expected to generate high rainfall rates between 0.5 and 1 inch per hour, highest south of Point Conception due to the interaction with a transverse range in the 50 to 60 carat south winds with the front. Thunderstorms are a strong bet as well, and certainly can't rule out severe storms, including waterspouts and small tornadoes. Very gusty winds will accompany the front as well, and wind advisories and warnings cover most of the area for Monday. Snow levels with this first wave are expected to be above 5,000 feet, so no snow impacts to the main mountain roads, including I-5 initially. But significant snow accumulations are likely at higher elevations. Rain amounts Monday are expected to be 1-2.5 coastal and 2 to 5 in the mountains. Would not be surprised if there are isolated 6 inches amounts in the usual favored south-facing areas like Maria Elijah in the Ventura Mountains and parts of the San Ynez Range. With this first front passing through Monday afternoon and evening, rain rates will tapering off quickly, but off and on showers are expected to continue overnight into Tuesday morning. During that period, rain amounts in most areas will be under a half inch, and most of it will be during the overnight hours. The next and much colder impulse will begin late Tuesday afternoon and night and continue into Wednesday. That one is still outside most of our high-res models, but given that this will be much colder with lower PWs and less orographic forcing, rain amounts will be quite a bit lower than Monday in most areas. There is still a risk of heavy showers due to convective processes and some upslope forcing, especially in SLO and SV counties, but overall expecting amounts in the 0.5 to 1 inch range for coastal and 1 to 2 in the mountains, with snow levels rapidly lowering to around 3,000 feet Tuesday night. The lowering show levels will create some additional hazards in the mountains, including Interstate 5 over the Grapevine, where rain will likely turn to snow late Tuesday night with 3 to 6 of snow possible. Long-term Thursday, Sunday, February 15th, 12 p.m. Another trough is forecast to zip over the area on Thursday. This system is another northwest flow system and will zip over the area fairly quickly as well still it. The ensembles are divided on the system, with many keeping it too far inside to bring much rain, but others with a more westerly trajectory do bring rain. Right now it just looks like a cool, partly to mostly cloudy day with a chance of rain. Friday and Saturday look dry, although a few ensembles do show rain on Saturday, but this is a pretty low CHC. There will be some warming each day, but not enough to bring temps back to normal or even produce some 70 degrees readings.